Look at that morning sun kissing the window pane, and I'm standing here and thinking, what do I make for lunch today? Then I opened my fridge and I saw some veggies smiling at me and telling me, cook me today or I'll go waste. Then I thought, why not pav bhaji from scratch? I made the pav batter myself, feeling all excited, but somehow something went wrong. The pav just didn't turn out the way I wanted. I had actually planned to make it from scratch, but as I thought of making it from scratch, it became a scratch. So I had to rush to the nearby store and got some wheat pav instead. But the bhaji, oh, that came out amazing, full of color, flavor, and that perfect buttery aroma filling the kitchen. Then I finally chopped some onions, nice and small, then went in three juicy tomatoes. I also had a handful of frozen peas waiting in the freezer. In a pan, I added a generous amount of butter because pav bhaji without butter just doesn't feel right. Once it melted, I sauteed the onions, added a little garlic for that lovely flavor, and then the tomatoes. Then I mashed the onions and tomatoes together into a nice thick paste. Then I added 1 by 8 cup of MDH pav bhaji masala. The aroma at this stage was just amazing. 1 by 8 cup is about 2 tablespoons of the masala. It is just the right balance. If the masala goes beyond that, especially this MDH or Everest blends, the spice and acidity can get a bit strong and also it can lead to heartburn or heaviness after eating. Now I'm adding 3 medium boiled and mashed potato to the pan. Let us mix this for a while. Mash them a little more and we will keep mixing this. Now let us add little salt to balance it all. Potato is mashed well. Now I'm adding boiled peas and beans to this. And finally, some finely chopped capsicum. That's the secret touch. It adds such a fresh aroma and the perfect bhaji flavor. And for that plating, I thought of serving it on banana leaves just to give that earthy, good aroma and a traditional touch. And look at this beautiful plate. So simple yet so satisfying. And finally, just before serving, I have added a little butter on top of the bhaji. and look at it melting into all those flavors. Soft pav, flavorful bhaji, a little onion, and a lemon on the side, and you have got the perfect comforting meal. Thank you for watching and see you next time.